Okay guys, this is a Perplexus Ball. I played around with it. I got around like 50 something. There's like 70 something levels, I think. 77 levels. In this sort of like maze path thingy, I got to around 50 and there was like this one really hard obstacle, which is that one over there. This little like twirly thing. I don't know if it's okay. It's fine if you guys don't see it. But basically, the point I'm filming right now is because I was just shaking the ball, right? Because sometimes you shake the ball inside of the Perplexus, and it actually lands somewhere that you normally wouldn't get to. So I was just randomly shaking the ball, like shaking the whole thing, and I managed to get the ball all the way to level 67. So that means I'm 10 levels away. Right there is where the ball is. Okay? If I can hop into this white disc thing, that's level 76, which means I'm 1 level away. So guys, can we cheat away? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Okay, we are 1 level away from achieving victory. The actual victory is if you get inside that man right there. So our ball's over here. Let's go ahead and roll it across. Please, 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 please. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Get on the, okay. We basically won, guys. Oh my god. Okay. If I lose, I'm gonna like... I did it! Yes! Look, guys. Our ball is inside that little man. You see him? You see the ball? It's inside the little man. That's game! We just won! My mom is in a meeting. We just beat the game by shaking the ball. Leave a comment, guys. This giveaway for this Perplexus. If you guys want it, comment down below why I should give it to you, and then maybe I'll ship it to you guys. Leave a comment. Do you guys want this thing? Because I don't know. It's not too expensive. You could probably buy one yourself. But if you want this thing, then yeah, leave a comment. Maybe I'll think about it if enough of you guys want it. See you next time on Ball Spassoon. Yes. Yes.